I am M. Mohar Ali, the President of Asomiya Parishad. Would like to say a few lines about it. The Asomiya Parishad, formed on 9th January 1994, is one of the notable national organizations of Assam. The main aim of the organization is to make the foundation of the Asomiya Nation firm and strong through mutual connection, amity and coordination amongst the various ethnic groups of Assam, as well as all-round development and evaluation of Miyan Jonagosti. The descendants of the pre-independence people, the ancient Kamrupi tribal origin Muslims only of Assam up to 24th March 1971 are embodied, are covered in Miyan Jonagosti.